Instead, Detective Sergeant Redman went back again to question the next-door neighbours about Davis and his family.
Frank and Audrey, the elderly couple there, told me how they'd moved in some time ago. There was Ron and his much younger wife and two very small children, a baby in arms and a toddler of about 3. They said that there was a connection with Devon because they understood that he had a boat that he used to sail regularly.
But without its name and a description to go on, the police couldn't find the boat.